A very good morning, children. Today we are going to begin chapter 9 of your supplementary reader, The Comet 1. So, children, the story Comet 1 begins with a moonless night in December in which a cool breeze was blowing. There was some disturbance in the sleep of Indrani Devi due to this cool breeze. Children, Indrani Devi was the wife of Dattada, who was an amateur scientist. Children, amateur means who is not professional, who is fond of. Okay, so he was just fond of this profession. He was not by profession. He was not scientist. Okay, so Dattada was at this time observing stars with his telescope, whose name was Divya Chakshu. And Dattada had not closed the door, nor was he wearing a sweater. This is because he was too busy with his telescope. And to Indrani Devi, this telescope was like a cunning woman who took hold of her husband. Dattada had a need for money to buy a telescope and spare time to observe the stars. Now, at retirement, when he got the money, he purchased a good telescope. Dattada had the ambition to discover a new comet. Children, comets can be new because they come far away from places of the solar system. The longish tail of a comet, it shines in the sunlight when it comes very near to the sun. And Dattada, he was very optimistic about discovering a new comet. What is optimistic? Being hopeful or expecting the best. So he was optimistic, he was very hopeful about discovering a new comet because other professional astronomers, they were focusing more on galaxies. Okay, and then that night Dattada, he was able to discover a new comet, and furthermore there was no mistake in his calculations. He made some calculations in his calculator, and he was very much sure that it was a new comet. Okay, there was no mistake there. Okay, so what happened? There was a publishing of Dattada's discovery about his new comet in Ananda Bazar Patrika, and Dattada had informed the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, that is IIA, which is in Bangalore, about the location of the comet. And afterwards this institute IIA, it made a confirmation of this discovery, and the comet was named after Dattada, that is it was named as Datta. Yes, it was a great thing. And Dattada did not like many functions and receptions which he was made to attend due to his introvert nature. Okay, so why he was not willing to attend these functions? Because he was not his nature was very introvert. What is introvert? One who is like occupied with his own thoughts and feelings. Okay, and not interested in the things which is going outside. He just wants to be in his own thoughts. So he was, because of his introvert nature, he did not like, yeah, because of his introvert nature, he did not like to attend the functions and the receptions. Okay, and furthermore his wife also said that comets bring bad luck, and so she had a wish that the discovery never took place. She wished that this comet should not have been discovered because comets brings bad luck. Okay, so moreover Dattada told her wife that comets had nothing to do with the problems of earth. Okay, so he told her that it is just superstitious. Okay, it is just a superstitious belief. Okay, because comets don't bring bad luck. Okay, it doesn't bring problems to earth. Okay, children, so by this we end part 1 of module 1.